Hello everyone, it is Mrs. Irwin, so it's math time. All right, we need to get a few things ready to do our math today. So I need you to get your cubes. If you don't have cubes, I want you to find something else that you can count that is kind of small. So it could be pennies or cereal or little rocks. So anything you can find in your house that's kind of small. And then we also need to get this out of our bag. This is called a 10 frame. If you don't have a 10 frame, see if you can get an adult to draw a 10 frame for you. It is just 10 boxes, 5 and 5. So you'll need a 10 frame in your cubes. Then we're also going to need something to write with. So you can use your alphabet chart on the back and your special marker and something to erase with, or you can get paper and a pencil or crayon. So pause your video and go get all the things you need. All right, hopefully you have all the things we need. If you find as we get started you don't have it, pause the video, go get it, and come back. So we've been working really hard on counting our numbers. And counting and writing our numbers. So we're going to keep doing that with some more numbers. So far we've gotten up to that number 5. So we're going to keep up that work, but we're going to go back and review a little bit too. So I want you to start by getting out 4 cubes. So remember, it doesn't matter what color. Yours are going to look different than mine, and that's an okay thing. All of us have some different colors. All right, I'm going to tilt it down. And I have my 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want you to put them in a row. So remember, a row goes across. So see if you can put them in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. And practice counting them that way. So how many cubes do you have? 4, you're right. All right, let's change it up a little bit. Let's see if you can move one up here and one up here. How many are there now? Yeah, there's still 4. We didn't add any and we didn't take any away. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. We put these into columns of 2. 1, 2, column of 1, 2. Columns go up and down. Okay, let's spread these out like this. How many are there now? Yeah, 4, because we still didn't add any or take any away. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's see if we can review practice writing that 4. So I'm going to move those over. And let's see if you can help me write our 4. Watch, we're going to slide down this side, across the middle for fun, down some more, and then you're done. And there's our 4. Some of us like to draw this big line first, but we want to learn to write them the right way. So make sure you're doing it the same way I am. Start over here, start at the top, slide down the side, cross the middle for fun. We're going to pick up our pencil or pen or crayon, go back to the top, down some more, and then you're done. Good job. So that's our 4. 4. I'm going to slide that to the side. All right, I want you to get one more cube out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to add one more cube. How many is that? One, two, three, four, five. You're right, there's 5. All right, let's see. Can we turn it to a column? Remember, a column goes up and down. I'm going to make mine go up and down in a column. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice work. There are 5. Now I want us to use this 10 frame. So yours might be drawn on a piece of paper, and that's okay. If you have the bag of materials, there's one of these in there. So either way works. So these are still just my 5. I'm just moving them over. I want us to match and put them in the boxes on the top row. Look, it fills the whole top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our 5 group. Can you say 5 group? So a 5 group is just 5 of them. That fills up half of our 10 frame. Nice job. So let's leave those on there. Let's practice writing our 5s. So we're going to start at the top. Remember, don't draw the line across first. You're going to do what I do. Ready? Slide down this side. Curve around like that. Back to the top. Put on a hat. There's our 5. 5. All right, let's do it again. Start at the top. Slide down this side. Curve around like that. Back to the top. Put on a hat. There's our 5. Nice work. All right, let's slide these off. So there's still our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I want us to add one more. So see if you can get one more out. Ready? There's our one more. So let's see how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you get 6? If not, go back and try it again. Remember, when we say a name, we have to point to 1. It's okay to take it slow to make sure we get it the right way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. All right, so we have them all in a row. Let's see if we can make 2 columns. Sorry. So columns, remember, go up and down. So there's 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can put 1, 2, 3 beside it. So now we have 2 columns of 3. So see if you can make yours look like mine with that 6. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 in columns. 2 columns of 6. All right, let's check out our 10 frame again. So we still have our 6. We didn't add any. We didn't take any away. All right, ready? Let's match them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I ran out of room on my row. Where do you think I should put the next one? Yeah, down here on the next row. So when we look at 6, because that's our 6, 6 is a group of 5 plus 1 more down here. So 6 can be one more than 5, and it can be a group of 5 plus 1 more. So there's our 6 on the tin frame. So we're going to learn how to write our number 6 today. So let's take a look at that. All right, let me move that over. All right. Our number 6 looks like this. And it says, monkey's tail needs a fix. Come on, let's make a 6. So when we do it, we're going to start at the top. We're going to curve around some and then curve up to put on that belly. We're going to curve around and then curve up to close it. All right, let's look at our 6 poster. So there's our number 6. Say 6. In Espanol, 6. So 6 or 6. Let's count our candies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we're ready to move on to our hands looking this way. So I'm going to have to kind of set it. There we go. So when we count, we go 1, 2. So remember, start with your pinky. Do it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got to hold up our thumb on our next hand because we have 5 fingers on one hand. So there's 5, 6. So there's 6 fingers. Here's our tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember when we see one across them, it holds them together like a rubber band, so we have to count it to 5. So we know that that's a group of 5 right there that the crown is on top of. That's our group of 5. So how many is that? 5. And we got to add one more. So 5, 6. And look, there's our tin frame just like we built. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice work. All right, so let's practice that writing. So we're going to make our 6. Start at the top. Monkey's tail needs a fix. Come on, let's make a 6. So we're going to curve down and then go around in a circle on it. All right, see if you can make some more. Start at the top, always starting at the top. Curve down, curl around with a circle. So we don't want to do a straight line down because if we did that, it would look like this. And that looks more like a B. So we don't want that. No straight lines on a 6. Okay? So you want to kind of start over and curve around in a circle. So you're going to practice those 6s today more in our seesaw activities. You're going to do some more counting and some 6 writing, okay? Great work. Make sure you put all your materials away safely so that you can find them later when we need them. And work hard on those seesaw activities.